don't got too many friends, they done changed on me. I stayed down and then them niggas went and changed on me. How you my homie, you behind my back, hating on me. Said you my slimy, you my slag. When it's
What's good with y'all? What's good with y'all? What is good with y'all? We are back with another YouTube video. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Nike Off-White SB Dunks, the University Red colorway. And I want to bring more sneaker content on this channel because I know most of my content is gaming based, but I want to mainly focus on like getting some sneaker content too. So you're going to see a lot of that on this channel as well, because that was going to be my main priority in the first place. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, as you can tell, you can probably see that I opened the box. Yes, I did. I taped it back up for the sake of the video though. But let's cut it open. Start off with this box. This is really cool. Let me get out. Sheesh. Oh, I kind of got stuck in here. Let's start this. Alright, starting off with the box. It's a real unique, like shiny, like chrome box. And as you can see, it got holes around it at the bottom and both sides. All around the box. See, so Virgil really took that step with the box. And we got the off-white paper. Alright, let's get into the main thing. As you can see, I purchased this shoe off of Goat. This is the authentication card showing that they authenticated the shoe. You can see. Alright, let's get into the shoes. The leather quality of these shoes is very good. It's a very like nice, soft, like leather quality. Outsoles, the off-white branding at the sides. Let's get into the insoles. See the same off-white printing that was on the paper, the wrap, right there on the insoles. Let's put that back. And it's a very light shoe. And what I recommend for these shoes is because SBs, they really crease really easy. So what you want to do, you want to get crease shields. That's what you want to get for these shoes. I highly recommend it. And if you do get SBs, and if you own a pair of SBs, you know they're true to size. As you can see, 2 shoestrings. The main shoestrings right here, and then we got the orange shoestring zigzagging across. Make it for a different look. Style it however you want. One way of styling this, you can just take the second shoestring, the orange shoestring right here, and you can tie it in the back. You can do all sorts of crazy things with this shoe. All types of different styles of wear, everything. The other one, as you see in the other one, it got the white zip tag that Off-White is pretty much famous for, that you see in a lot of other Nike Off-White collabs. Okay. But I can get into sneaker care and how to care for your sneakers, how to keep them clean and refreshed in another video in the future. So stay tuned for that. But now we're gonna move on to the on-foot review.
Where the fuck was niggas at when I ain't had no bread on me? Where the fuck was niggas at when I was grieving dead homies? Where the fuck was niggas at when it was time to slide? You ain't know my brother, you can't be no friend of mine. That's on the dead homies.